So people, let's start off with the first story right here, people. Let's start off with the first story right here. So I made this article. Can you see that? Yeah. So we did it, America, freedom of speech. Team America, fuck yeah. Come to save the motherfucking day. Oh, excuse my French. Anywho, people, Afroman turned a police raid into a classic video, got sued for defamation, then beat the goddamn case, people. Jesus. Woo! Woo! So, people, let's get into this. So, again, people, I am your host, Bad Guy the Entertainer, aka Mr. Hate. Call me what you want to call me. And people, this is the internet court of public opinion. Right about now, we are reviewing the Afroman viral case where he beat the cops in a defamation, everybody. Bloody hell. Anywho, victory. People listening? So, victory for Afroman over the sheriff's deputies who sued him for defamation and invasion of privacy through false light, people. In a civil trial in Adams County, Ohio, big up all my citizens in Ohio. Dr. Green from aka Dr. Watts, big salute to citizens in Ohio. Dr. Green from, if you with us, slide through. Let me know if you know about this. Cause I got high. Cause I got high. Anyway, again, people, so victory for Afroman over the sheriff's deputies who sued him for defamation and invasion of privacy through false lights. In a civil trial in Adams County, Ohio, a jury ruled in favor of Grammy-nominated rapper Afroman, real name, people, Joseph Edgar Foreman, on all 13 claims brought by 7 sheriff's deputies. Oh, cause I got high. Let's continue, people. The deputies sued over music videos and content where Afroman used home security footage to mock their 2022 no-knock raid on his home, which found no drugs, people. Shit. The jury found no liability for defamation, false light, invasion of privacy, or related claims after less than a day of deliberation, affirming Afroman's free speech rights in the matter, people. Lord, free at last. Let's look at this. Let's look at this, everybody. Let's look at this. Everybody calm down a bit. Everybody calm down, man. Go. Tyro. Sit down, Tyro. Shit. People, black boys, never listen. Anyway, let's look at this. Look at this rap. Anyway, people, let's start off with the music video right here. Okay, then. So where we at with Don Lucre. So this one right here says, Afroman made an Ohio police officer cry in court as he testified in a lawsuit filed by Adams County Sheriff Office for his 2022 satirical music videos. I think I'm saying that wrong. But anyway, rapper Afroman clashed with Ohio law enforcement in court Tuesday. That's gone, people. Leaving one deputy in tears. So let's look at this music video. Oh, she ate all the pussy all around. From Adams County to the 275. Lick 'em low, Lisa. Licking every pussy alive. Oh my Lord, people. Ooh. That's crazy. So I'm gonna try to get that where is it? Did they have the video of that? I can't find that video. I think it's this right here. Jeez. You know what? If we find it, we find it. But let's get into this one right here. So Afroman's music video, Lemon Pound Cake, played in court as Officer Pound Cake was forced to sit and watch. Adams County Sheriff's deputies are suing Afroman after he released a music video following a botch raid on his home, people. Jeez. At one point during the trial, the video was played during Officer Sean Cooley's testimony. The song was inspired after the officer allegedly glanced down at Afroman's dessert during the botch raid on his home, people. Jeez. Officer claims that Afroman's song and social media posts following the raid caused them mental distress and danger. Jesus Christ, look at this.
Mr. Cooley, sorry, Sean, you were called Officer Pound Cake by Mr. Foreman?
Multiple times.
You were also
Officer Pound Cake, people, my lord. Man got caught after. That's funny. That let's look at this. Let's look at this.
Pound cakes that work from different people.
okay. And the context of that name comes from a music video that Mr. Foreman created, correct?
I don't know where he got it at, but you'd have to ask him that question.
Well, I'm going to play what's marked Defense Exhibit B.
Oh, are they gonna play the video? They're gonna play the video, people.
Okay.
The Adams County Sheriff kicked down my door. Then I heard the glass break. They found no kidnapping victims, just a living pound cake. Mama's living pound cake. It tastes so nice. It made the sheriff wanna put down his gun and cut him a slice.
It made the sheriff wanna put down the gun and cut a slide. Oh, that is good. That is good. Shit, me. Oh, hold on. Let's put this again.
Living pound cake munchies because he got hot. Living pound cake. He's a Adams County Sheriff. He's hungry and he's big as hell. He was sniffing for weed. Then he smelled another smell. What was that? Mama's living pound cake.
Oh my god, people. Give Afroman a round of applause. What did he say? Make him wanna put down a gun? Make the sheriff wanna put down his gun and cut him a slice. Lemon pound cake.
Trending on TikTok.
Lemon pound cake.
He's a family guy.
Lemon pound cake.
Munchies because he got high. Living pound cake. He sees my cake.
You see, people, they really play the whole video in court, you know. I know people, if I was on the jury, I don't know how I could contain myself. I'll be having face pains. I'll be going home with face pains, trying to, you know what I mean? I'll be going home with face pains, try to withhold the laughter. Anyway, people, let's move on. Let's see what else is going on. So over here, Afroman's lawyer quotes WAP by Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion while questioning the ex-wife of former officer Sean Grooms. Are you... Oh, let's watch this, man. Hold on.
Mr. Cooley,
Oh, watch that. Let's look at this right here.
you've worked with kids for how long?
30 years.
Got into the mind of kids pretty well.
Yes.
When they would play Mr. Foreman's song,
Again, people, if you don't know, this is the Internet Court of Public Opinion. I am your host, Bad Guy the Entertainer, a.k.a. Detective Hate, a.k.a. Mr. Hate, a.k.a. Judge Hate. Call me what you want to call me. And people, this is bloody I Hate Crime TV, and we are recapping the Afroman beats the badge case, people. Cops, you know what I mean? He beats the cops defamation raid case or some shit like that in court, people. He beat the case. Some cops try to sue him because he made a music video mocking them for their botch police raids. Comprende? People, if you want to share your opinion, slide in it. Let me know what you think about this. This is funny to me. Let's look at this right here.
worked with kids for how long?
30 years.
Got into the mind of kids pretty well.
Yes.
When they would play Mr. Foreman's song Lemon Pound Cake, did they take that as a literal fact from your observations?
No.
Were they laughing and joking about it?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Are you familiar with the song WAP?
I think I've heard
Sorry,
it.
no, strike that.
People, what does WAP stand for, everybody? What does WAP stand for, WAP? Does your wife have the WAP? Does your mother have the WAP? And if she has the WAP, tell her to call me.
I'm going to give you the complete song and then summarize it because I only want to say it once. Are you familiar with the song Wet Ass Pussy?
Yes,
Is that a rap song?
it is.
Has your students played it in class?
Once, and I asked them to please turn it off.
When they were listening to it, did they think that was fact?
No,
So they didn't think that that was depicting anything in real life?
no,
So you didn't have to teach them that wasn't real?
right, no, I did not.
You've heard the song, correct?
Mm-hmm, yes.
Do you believe it's a literal interpretation?
No,
Would you agree it's derogatory towards women,
no,
even though it says nasty things about them?
yeah, no, I mean, it's the artist's opinion, I guess. That's the way I feel.
Maybe not an opinion you like, but...
Yeah.
So, Ms. Grooms, has Mr. Foreman's posts about Sean or any of the general posts about the Adams County Sheriff's Department as a whole affected your life any at all?
No,
Would you believe it would have affected your life while you were married to Sean?
if it had any effect, I guess that would be the time it would have an effect.
But as his spouse, you would have expected it.
Yes,
And I don't want you to go into too many details, but is it fair to say that Mr. Foreman, the posts about the police department, everything had not a damn thing to do with your relationship between you and Sean and why it came to an end?
no, it did not.
So the posts never affected your life, never affected your marriage?
No,
Okay. So any state...
Oh, people, round of applause. Lemon pound cake. Lemon pound cake. Hold on, what did he say?
They found no kid now, playing munchies because he got hot.
Lemon pound cake.
Pound cake. He's a Adams County sheriff. He's hungry and he's big as hell.
Ooh. I just want it one more time.
He was sniffing for weed. Then he smelled another smell.
Did he? Oh. Pound cake. Cut him, man. Slice. What else we got? Let's look at this right here. So, Afroman, this was day 2. So it says, deputy claims Afroman singing about sleeping with his wife has caused him tremendous pain as grounds for defamation. So on the day 2, it says right here, day 2 of that trial. Don't forget, people, Afroman has beat the case, don't forget. There you go, he beat the case. So we're just reviewing, recapping what's going on. You get me? So day 2 of Afroman defamation case has begun, and Randolph L. Walters Jr. testified that Afroman singing about sleeping with his wife caused him tremendous pain, people. Lord have mercy. Walters Jr. also stated that being labeled a thief has hurt his reputation, people. So far, all the deputies have claimed they do not believe everything they hear or see on the internet, and that they have all been called names unrelated to Afroman songs. Bloody hell, people. Let's look at this right here. Let's look at this.
So you're claiming that is the defamation statement, is that he said he had sex with your wife?
Oh,
Yes.
Okay. And that's painted you in a false light?
It's caused tremendous pain in my life.
I'll get to that. We have to go through false light first. So does it paint you in a false light?
Yes, that my wife is cheating on me with Mr. Foreman.
But we all know that's not true, correct?
I don't know.
stop being butthurt, man. My God. I should have said, hold on, let me fix this right here. Gotta put now. Come on.
Wait, you don't know if your wife's cheating on you or not?
You want to go there?
No, I just want to ask that question because you said we don't know. I just
Been
need
with
to
that
know yes or
woman
no.
since middle school.
I know.
I would hope she wouldn't. But you know what? Once somebody puts it out there for their fun and entertainment, it's out there. And it's a problem.
So it's something we cannot verify the truth of?
People in his mind, when he had it, said, "Woman, how dare woman, if you're gonna cheat on me, don't you dare cheat on me with that black man. I be damned if you this big black man. How dare you, woman?" That's what's going through his head. That's what's going through his head.
Is it a thing that can be verified, true or false?
Ask your client.
This is like comedy. What's this right now?
Afroman is gonna do ya. Afroman is gonna screw ya. My proof's on the internet. Brian Newland is a flag. William is a pedophile. If I'm telling folks the truth, how come I have to go to trial? Newland sexting kids, that's true. Now he's stealing my money too. My
God damn it, people. You just showing receipts. I'm gonna get a copyright claim, man. But people, guess what?
I don't give a fuck.
What else we got? So, this is Afroman. So the lawyer suing Afroman for allegedly defaming Ohio Sheriff's officials who raided his home finished questioning him by asking him if there's anything that could change your mind about what you're doing to these deputies. Let's have a look at this right here.
What they
Oh, then let me just check if we got any more. We're gonna play this.
did searching your house gave you the right to do everything you
Under the
got.
circumstance that I got freedom of speech,
After they run around my house with guns and kick down my door, I got the right to kick a can in my backyard, use my freedom of speech, turn my bad times into a good time. Yes, I do. And I think I'm a sport for doing so, because I don't go to their house, kick down their doors, flip them off on their surveillance cameras, then try to play the victim and sue them.
Jesus Christ. Church! Church! Whoa. Make me want to run up and down. You know, oh, woo. Just what church people do. Woo. Every time I feel the spirit of the Lord.
You were at Lisa Phillips's deposition, correct?
Yes, sir.
In your lawyer's office.
Yes, sir.
Same office where you filmed part of that video last Friday.
Yes, sir.
And you saw how upset she was when she was answering your lawyer's questions about how this had affected her, right?
Yes, yes,
And you saw your attorney say, do we need to take a break?
yes,
And you saw her say, no, let's go on and get this over with.
yes, sir.
You saw all that.
Yes.
You knew she was upset.
Just like she knew I was upset when she was standing in front of my kids with an AR-15 with her hand around the trigger ready to shoot me. Just like she knew I was upset when she cut my cameras. But I'm not a person, she is. So I'm sorry for being the victim. Let's talk about the predators.
Okay. So you saw all that. You saw how upset she was. You heard the testimony about her children. You heard the testimony at the depositions about Randy Newland's daughter who came home upset. You heard all that. But you're still posting stuff about
Yeah,
it.
because I understand it was Randy's fault and all of their fault for coming in my house in the first place. So if they hadn't came to my house, their children wouldn't be saying nothing. None of this would be going home if they did their research and did things right. So all of this is their fault. And now they want to sue me for their mistake.
Is there anything that could change your mind about what you're doing to these deputies?
Is there anything that can change my mind about the fact that they shouldn't have been at my house in the first place? Is there anything that can change my mind about how my money shouldn't have been touched in the first place? No.
That's all the questions I have. Thank you.
Shit. Let's see what the internet people are saying about this. You know what I mean? Let's see what the internet people. So this one says, I stand with Afroman. That's that right. You know what? Let me get a bit smaller like this. You know what? Let's get it like that. Yeah, let's get it like that, people. Let me set myself over here. Yep. So put Afroman and Mount Rushmore right there. This one says, you're welcome. This one by Season Q, broke in his house, broke his gate and door, cut his security cam, flipped off the cam before they did it, stole his money, sued him, and crying after they pointed guns at him while his children were present. Man, fuck the police. God damn it. This one, forever tanking. Their kids are upset over words. Meanwhile, his kids are upset over their house getting broken into with AR-15s. Levels to this shit, man. My lord. This one says, what the budget guy? How is it these cops can sue him for protected speech protesting government overreach, but he can't sue them because of qualified immunity? As a veteran, this is beyond upsetting. If you're a veteran in America, let me know. Let me know. What's your thoughts on this right here? What's your thoughts on this right here? Anywho, people, again and again, we did it, America. Freedom of speech. Afroman turned a police raid into a music video, got sued for defamation, then beat the case. So let's look at this right here. Let's look at this right here. Let's look at this right here, everybody.
in all circumstances, the jury finds in favor of the defendant. No plaintiff verdict prevailed. So the matter will be concluded with defense verdicts. Thank you, Mr. Klingler. Thank you, Mr. Osborne. Thank you to the court staff and the Sheriff's Department for security in the building. And we'll go ahead and stand and adjourn it. You're welcome. Relax, whatever it is you need. Yep. Have the jury go that way. Have them go back into their room.
If you guys don't mind to hang out in there for a little bit, I can get you, okay?
All right.
Sir? Everybody is excused.
Oh shit, people, that was luck. You just there, just standing. Look at this fight. Whoa.
We did it, America! Yeah, we did it!
Whoa.
Freedom of speech! Right on! Right on! Yeah! God bless America! Yeah! Power to the people! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! We did it, America! Yeah! We did it! Freedom of speech!
Freedom of speech, people. Shit. So there you go, people. Victory for Afroman over the sheriff's deputies who sued him for defamation and evasion of privacy through false light, everybody. My lord. So, yeah, people, let me just close down these tabs.